Now the next step, again, we're going to go back to the user guide here. So step 1 was install the software. We already did that. As you saw, that was very easy. Step 2 was create 2 new Gmail accounts. That was easy. Step 3 is sign up for 5 or more Safelists. I don't know if I'm going to actually sign up for 5 during this video, but I'll take you through at least 1 or 2 just so you can kind of see the process. So here's a couple of them. So these links right here, you can click on any of these links and it will take you directly to those Safelist sign up pages. I'm going to go ahead and copy that link location, and that way I can open it in this same browser here. I'm going to paste it and go there. All right, and so this is a Safelist site. You can see here it says click here to join free pro. Now one thing that I will say is a lot of these sites are pretty old. I mean, they've been around for quite a while, and so a lot of them do look dated, but that's okay because they do have a lot of members. This one here has 29,787 members. So we'll go ahead and click to join. And a lot of the signups they're going to look real similar. They've got kind of the same information that they ask for. So ask for your first name, your last name. It'll ask for a username. We'll say FTB Pro. Okay, so contact email. So that's like the admin email. So that would be, let's see, ericsafe333 at gmail.com. That was that first one that I just signed up for. And then the list email, that's the one that's going to get the most of the emails. That'll be ericsafe444 at gmail.com. And then you can go ahead and make a password. And then it might have some sort of a CAPTCHA like this one. And agree to the terms of service and click join. Oh, it looks like it wants me to have a longer last name. Okay, so make a longer last name and now I'll join. And this is just Firefox offering to save my passwords here. You may have noticed it's been doing that. So if you're using something like that, feel free to save your password in your browser if you're on a home computer. Okay, so it says, Eric Holm, welcome to our Safelist. Activation links have been just sent to both your contact and list email addresses. Please follow instructions inside the confirmation emails to complete the registration. You are not allowed to send your ads to the Safelist until you confirm both your contact and list email addresses. Okay, so that means we got to go back to those 2 Gmail accounts. So I'm already logged into this one, the one that we just created. It's ericsafe444. I'm going to click reload this page. And I don't see it, but it could have gone in the spam folder. Yep. So I'll just look at that. And it says, please confirm you're joining our Safelist by clicking on the URL below. So go ahead and click that. You have successfully activated your list email. Okay, so list email was the second one. The first one was the sign up or admin email. So to get to that one, I could open a different browser and log into Gmail in a different browser because I don't think you can be logged into 2 Gmail accounts at the same time in the same browser. But I'll go ahead and just log out because I'm just trying to show you everything about this step by step. So I'm going to go sign out. And then I'm going to click on ericsafe333 at gmail.com. And log in. And I'm guessing that one went in the spam as well. Yep. I'll click on spam. I'll click on that one. And I will click the URL. It says your account is now active and you can log in here. Okay, so I'm going to click where it says here. And then my username was, I believe, FTB Pro. And then I had made up a password. Log in. Okay, so you can see here it's got some basic information here on the home page, and a lot of these Safelist sites are going to be similar. Some will be a little different from each other. So this news is from 2011. Like I said, some of these are pretty dated. They've been around a long time, but they're still working. There's a ton of marketers that are using these. There's a lot of articles and resources that point to these Safelists as free traffic sources, and so people keep using them. And I believe I mentioned this on the sales page, but the majority of people that are actually using these Safelists are internet marketers. So it's a lot of other people like yourself, which is a good thing if you're selling something in the internet marketing niche, or you're selling something for small businesses that people like yourself would be interested in. Okay, so you can see here they've got credits that you can buy. That's one thing I was talking about with the upsells. This one, unlike a lot of them, did not present us with some one-time offers before we could actually get into the site. Some of them will actually make you kind of go through those one-time offers before you can even get into the site. This one just kind of sells them after you log in. But really, as far as activating the account to where we can begin earning credits, this is all we need to do. And so we can now start using, this is going to start sending emails to our Gmail account, and which means we can start using it with the fast traffic bot. And that will give us credits, which then we can use the, let's just click on some of these so you can kind of see what these are. The credit mailer. Okay, so you can see here, it started me off with 2,000 credits, but with Fast Traffic Bot, it's going to be earning me more and more credits to where I can send to more members. Okay, so right now I can send this to 2,000 members right off the bat, but let's say I run Fast Traffic Bot for a while and earn, it says you're allowed to send up to 12,786 members. So basically, I just have to run Fast Traffic Bot until I earn 12,786 credits, and then I can log in here and send an email to 12,786 members. So this is like being able to send to an email list that you didn't have to build. You didn't have to build this from scratch. Is it as effective as building your own list from scratch that you've built a relationship with? Of course not. There's no way it's going to be that responsive. Is this a panacea for all of your traffic woes? Is this the sole source of traffic for your entire business? No, I don't think we ever said that that's the case, but this is a way that you can get free traffic on autopilot and build a list for free, and put this software in your computer to use, doing something that's really requiring no work on your part. You can be earning these credits basically all day long. And then, whenever you want to do a promotion, you can log in and you'll have the credits to go ahead and send out these emails. And as you can see, it's pretty basic. I mean, you put in your subject line, you put in your email, basically copy and paste. It's got a WYSIWYG editor, so you can even format the text. You can create hyperlinks, and then here's how you would create a hyperlink is this little thing right here, and then you click send. And so if you are building a list, then you would want to send it to a squeeze page, for example. And if you are promoting a product, then you send it to your sales page. So just like my Fast Traffic Bot product, if I was wanting to promote that, I would send it to the Fast Traffic Bot sales page. Now, if I didn't have any product and I didn't have any squeeze page and I wasn't building a list, I could still earn commissions with no startup costs by signing up as an affiliate. For example, JV Zoo is free to sign up for, and my fast traffic bot is a product on there. I could promote that as an affiliate if I wasn't already the owner of it. And so I could take my affiliate link off of JV Zoo and come in here and put in a promotional email along with my affiliate link and do it that way. So you can also, it says right here, the URL of website you're promoting. It looks like you can put it right there as well. And so that's pretty easy. Let's click on standard mailer. So standard mailer, I'm not really sure what the difference is here. Maybe these are ones that you can send without costing credits. I don't know. That's got your mailing history. It's got your affiliate program for this particular website. Basically, all of these Safelist that you sign up for have built-in affiliate programs. And so if you want to refer others to them, you can do that, and that can help you earn credits or commissions for that matter. In fact, all of the links that you'll see in the user guide are my affiliate links. So this is something that for those of you that have, you've been around me and my teaching and stuff for a long time, you'll know that I'm pretty transparent with my marketing. You know that I do use a lot of marketing strategies and tactics and persuasive strategies, things like that. But when it comes to what I'm teaching, I'm also very transparent about what those things are and how I'm using them. And so, as a paid customer of mine, which you now are, I readily share those things with you. And so, as a marketer, I'm always trying to think like a marketer. And, if you have a product, you always want to think about different ways that you can monetize the back end. You may have noticed that we were selling the fast traffic bot very cheaply on the front end. Okay. The cost that we were charging for this product was really tiny compared to, what it cost us to develop it and compared to even what we could be charging. But, we're looking for other ways to monetize it on the back end. We've got things like my affiliate links in here in this user guide. And then, of course, we've got other long-term strategies to basically to build a relationship with you and sell you other products in the future. And so, if you look at this closely, if I hover over it, you'll see there's actually an affiliate ID on virtually all of these links. And so that's something that you may want to do as well. You could promote some of these safe lists to other people. So there's the affiliate program. So here's like my referral link for this particular safe list. That's that username that I selected. You can see that kind of becomes my affiliate ID. Okay, then you've got a banner and ads rotator. And this is another way that you can get traffic. So it says free pro members. Again, that's what we are. We signed up as a free member to this safe list, and you'll see that basically all safe lists have something similar. They've got different membership levels. They've got a free level, and they've got other paid levels that you can upgrade to, which supposedly are going to help you get more traffic. But part of the reason of our system is to try to help you get free traffic, and so that's why we're not saying you need to upgrade anything. But it says free pro members can advertise your business not only by sending mail to the list, but also by putting a text ad or banner ad on our site. Simply create a new banner or text ad campaign. We will put your banner/text ad in rotation with those of other members. All banner ads are randomly displayed every time a page is loaded. So this is also something that you'll definitely want to take advantage of. Okay, you want to put some sort of a advertisement in all of these safe list sites where you can. Okay, so I'll click Add New Campaign and just kind of see what the process looks like here. So we can either do a banner or a text ad. I don't want to take the time to make a banner right now, so we'll just do like a text ad. Okay, so campaign name, we'll call it Fast Traffic Bot. Headline, we'll say your own web traffic robot. Oh, won't quite fit. So your own web traffic bot. Description, line 1. Let's see. Automate your web traffic. We'll say with our new software. Okay, then the destination URL. So again, if you are simply an affiliate marketer, you can put an affiliate link in here. You don't even have to own your own website. Now, of course, I do recommend that you do get your own website eventually. It's just a matter of kind of building and scaling your business. And that's one thing that, we've really, Jeff and I have both helped a lot of people with, is really kind of progress with their businesses from square one to having full-fledged, long-term sustainable businesses. A lot of people don't have the startup capital to put in it at the beginning, so they kind of have to use these free methods to start generating some traffic and some income, but then you can put that income back into your business in things like getting your own autoresponder account and getting your own web hosting, and then eventually building your own product and things like that. And those are things that I take you through the process in my Eric's Tips lessons, and those are free lessons as well that as a customer, you are automatically signed up for. So I definitely recommend checking those out. Okay, so here's the thing, guys. So in order to have your ad shown in the site, you have to have credits. Okay, so it's 5 credits for one impression. I've got 2,000 credits right now, so we'll just designate 1,000 credits for that. But as Fast Traffic Bot earns credits for you, then you can come log back in here and add more credits to this to keep having your ad shown. So that's another way that it can generate free traffic for you. Go ahead and click next, and we'll click save. All right, now I had just noticed the one down here that said get paid to read emails. That's interesting that it was that said get paid to read emails, because that is another use of the Fast Traffic Bot that we're going to cover later on in this video. Okay, so that is the ads rotator. It does give you the option to purchase credits, but this kind of gives you an idea of like really the value of what Fast Traffic Bot is giving you, because it's earning those credits for you for free. It's also going to give you an option to upgrade your account. Interesting, it doesn't say this one doesn't have any options for me right now. It does have a solo ad available. Not sure what that means. Oh, so $35. So this one, basically, it looks like it's sending the solo ad to the Safelist. So, interesting. Interesting. Okay, so you can also buy solo ads. I've seen some of the Safelist sites that actually have the option to use credits for solo ads. And so if it has an option for credits, that means that you can earn them for free using Fast Traffic Bot. Okay, and then they've got like special offers and stuff. You really don't need to worry about any of that. Again, the ways that you're going to get traffic are the mailer and the banner and ads. Okay, those are the 2 ways that you get actual traffic from the Safelist sites. Again, the mailer, this one has 2 different versions. It's got the credit mailer and the standard mailer. And then it has the banner ads rotator, which can either be a graphic banner or a text ad. So here's an important thing I want to show you. As you sign up for these sites, what you're going to want to do is keep track of all of them so you know where to go to get your traffic. Okay, so I keep track of them in an Excel spreadsheet. You could keep it in an Excel spreadsheet. You could keep it in just a little text file. Any type of a document or spreadsheet would be fine. And so here's my Safelist spreadsheet. And so in my spreadsheet, I like to keep, first of all the safe lists in one column. So these are the actual login URLs. So to save time, rather than putting just the homepage address, I put the login address here in my spreadsheet. That way, when I want to go log in, I can just go directly to this URL. And then I've got my username for each of those safe lists, and then my password, which I'm just not showing you right here. And then just for record keeping, I've got my admin email that I use to sign up for each of those safe lists. And then you've got your list email. So you can see I've used the same list email for all of them. And some safe lists don't actually really distinguish between the admin email and the list email. Many of them do, but some don't. So that's where you'll see some of these I use the same email address on both the admin and the list, because they really only ask for one email address. The other thing I found just through a little bit of trial and error is that some of them, even though they asked for a list email, they ended up sending the bulk of the emails to the admin email. And so it's just something to kind of keep in mind as well. That if that were to happen, then you'd want to change your admin email to the one that you're trying to get lots of emails to. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. In other words, you want to be getting as many emails as possible to one particular email address. In this case, I'm trying to get as many to ericsafe111@gmail.com. Or in the one that we just signed up for, it would have been ericsafe333@gmail.com. I've also got all my affiliate links here. So as I mentioned a few minutes ago, I'm always thinking like a marketer. So this way, if I want to refer others to some of these sites, I've got my affiliate link handy. And so that's something that you may want to do. Like as you sign up for these sites, just create yourself a spreadsheet that's got all your logins, it's got your information, and then you could keep your affiliate links as well if that's something that you're interested in. All right, so that's one that we signed up for. Let's go maybe sign up for one that I've never even signed up for before. We'll go back to the web, and I'm going to go to Google, and we'll just search for Safelist sites. You could just search for safe. Just the word Safelist, or it could be Safelist as two words. But let's see, freesafelistmailer.com. I'm not sure if that's one that I've signed up for before. Let me check my spreadsheet here. Free Safelist Mailer. Yep, I have signed up for that one before. And you'll also find a lot of articles like in top 10 or top 20 lists, things like this. It says top 20 safe lists for affiliate marketers. Those are good resources to find a bunch of them quickly. Free Safe List King, Best Safe List for, says January 2016, but obviously that's still going to give you a nice list. Then you've got what claims to be the world's largest safe list directory. Okay? And as this description says, a safe list is a spam-free way for you to advertise and send out to thousands and thousands of emails to prospective buyers. All right, and that is the concept of it. That's why we created this software tool, because it allows you to tap into that traffic for free, and without having to do all of the dirty work that's normally associated with using these sites. Okay, so this site is basically a directory, and I'm sure what this guy's done is kind of similar to what I did in the user guide. He's probably got his affiliate link on all of these, but this has definitely got, I'm sure, a bunch of them that I'm not signed up for yet. Here's one that's top 100 safe lists, solo ad marketing. Okay, so that's probably going to give us a bunch of good ones as well. Safe List XL. So a lot of these are actual lists of safe lists. So it says send your solo ad to sites with over 600,000 subscribers. And I mean, there's 194,000 results for just the term safe list sites. I mean, literally there are thousands of safe lists out there. And some are bigger than others. Some are not real big. Some only have, hundreds of members. Some have tens of thousands. This one, McAfee Web Advisor is saying it's risky, which interestingly, McAfee Web Advisor actually says that a lot of my sites are risky. For some reason, a lot of marketing related sites actually get flagged by these antivirus companies. Just if you have like an opt-in on the site, even if it's just like a squeeze page, they'll flag it as being dangerous because they think that you're trying to, someone's trying to steal your information, which is kind of ridiculous. So you find these sites that just have these lists and lists. 22,000 members, 5,600 members, 4,500 members, 2,000 members, 7,200 members. Mr. Safelist. I wonder if I'm signed up for that one. It did not look familiar, so that's why. Oh, it is. That's actually the last one on my list right there. Let's see. Herculist. I'm sure I'm signed up for that one because it's a big one. 75,000 members. Herculist. Let's see. Yep, signed up for Herculist. Got Safelist. 32,000 active members. Yep, signed up for that one. List Volta, Puffin Mailer, Rodeo Mailer. Let's see if I'm signed up for Rodeo Mailer and Safari Mailer. Rodeo, Safari. Nope, I'm not signed up for either of those. Let's go ahead and sign up for one of those just so I can, show you how to do this on a site I've never even seen before. So Rodeo Mailer. Interesting. Looks like they got bought out by Northern Mailer. I don't think I'm a member of Northern Mailer either yet. Let me check. Nope, not a member of Northern Mailer. Okay. So I'm going to click Join Now. All right. Gmail set a quota on emails received. Limit your Gmail list to stay within limits. If you don't bounce or members' emails, you will get suspended. It's not, you don't need to worry about that because with Fast Traffic Bot, it's going to be opening your emails and deleting them. So you don't really have to worry about overload. Plus, I don't know how old this message is, but I've had tens of thousands of emails in my Gmail account and it hasn't caused any problems. All right. Email address. So this one's only asking for one email address right now, and I don't know if it's going to ask for another one. So for this time, I'm just going to go ahead and use EricSafe 444. Yeah, actually, I use I'll use the 111. That's the one where I'm trying to get the most traffic or get the most emails to. And username. Actually, let's go with the FTB Pro. I'll make up a password. Agree to the terms and submit. Okay, and not sure what just happened there. Not sure if it submitted it or not. So this is kind of the thing that happens once in a while on some of these sites is they act a little strangely. I'll try submitting it again and see if anything happens. So, it says we prefer Gmail addresses. Well, okay, I am using a Gmail address. I don't see any errors. Let me try a longer last name. Oh, looks like that was the trick. So it knew that I was trying to, take a shortcut there with just putting in my last initial. And so by putting in a few more characters, it allowed me to sign up. And interesting thing. So first thing when you signed up here, it's giving you a bunch of other Safelist sites that you can sign up for, which is great because again, the more you sign up for, the better. Your goal here is to get as much Safelist email into your inbox as possible so you can earn as many credits as possible. So then you can log back into these sites and get free traffic by sending emails and getting free banner ads. Okay, it says, please check your email for our welcome message. All right, so I'm going to go back to Gmail. I'm going to have to log out here. So sign out. Oh, now this is going to be a pain because this is one that's going to have a ton of email in it, but it should be the most recent one received. Okay, so you can see this inbox has 43,781 emails in it. So my Safelist strategy is working very well with this inbox. And here's the one where I need to confirm. To activate your account, please visit this. Okay. Your address has been verified. Click here to log in. Okay, so, oops, just clicked something. So username was FTB Pro. All right, so I'm logging in, and what do you know? It's showing me an exclusive one-time offer, today only. Okay, so of course it's trying to, sell me all kinds of credits and stuff. So I'm gonna pass on that. Looks like it's showing me another one. Continue to the members area. Okay, so now it's giving me a login reward here. So it says you will be rewarded in 15 seconds. That's basically for viewing this advertisement from another member. And if you can put compelling advertisements in these spots, you can end up getting some good traffic from it. All right, so we could rate the site, or we could just say no thanks, go to my account. But you can see here, you can reserve the login spotlight for your site. Okay, so that's another traffic opportunity from this particular Safelist site. All right, so this one, just kind of look here. You've got some different opportunities here. One is called paid to click. Okay, get up to 2% per click. Add to pay-per-click config in admin. Buy advertising here. Okay. You've got your send mailing. So it says you must click on at least 5 member emails in order to send your email. You've only viewed 0 emails today. Now again, that's where Fast Traffic Bot comes in handy, because it's going to be clicking on those member emails all day long. So when you log in, you'll have plenty of credits to go here and send your mailing. That's how you get free traffic. So again, keeping that spreadsheet is a really handy way to do it, because this is basically the sites where you can log in and get free traffic anytime you want it. Okay, because you're going to be earning credits from these sites. So I would then add Northern Mailer to this list of Safelists. In fact, let me go ahead and just do that right now. Let's see, what's the log? So I'm going to copy the link location of the member home and paste it in here. So you can see there it's like northernmailer.com/members.php. And my username on this one was FTB Pro. And I used Eric Safelist 111 to sign up. Okay, affiliate link. Let's see, I didn't get my affiliate link yet. I'm sure they probably have one. Let's scroll through here and see. Oh, affiliate toolbox. What do you know? Okay, so here's your affiliate link right here, northernmailer.com. So, yeah, just grab that and go ahead and paste that into my handy spreadsheet here as well. So I've got a record of it. All right, so that's kind of how I do it when I sign up for Safelists. I just keep track of them here. Just remove that hyperlink. You can keep the hyperlink if you want. This is just how I like to organize things. And back into this Northern Mailer, so you can see you can send a mailing. Let's see if they've got banners and text ads, right? So banners, that's probably going to be graphic banners. It says you've got 10 credits in your account. That was just for signing up. And again, you earn credits by viewing emails, and that's what Fast Traffic Bot does. So you can earn those credits, then you can log in here, upload your banners to get free traffic. Same thing with the text ads. Okay, you saw me create a text ad on the previous website, so I'm not going to do that again right here, but it's the same thing. You would set up your text ad. You can use an affiliate link if you don't have a website of your own, and you get those credits. Then you can get free views of your text ads. Okay, so hopefully that kind of explains these Safelist, sort of how they work. And I mean, they're not the prettiest sites, right? I mean, they're some of them are pretty funny looking. This one's actually, I kind of appreciate it. It's just kind of cool. It's definitely old school, but I mean, it's cute, it's cool, whatever. Northern mailer. But there's hundreds of them, okay? Thousands of them, really. So there's no shortage of those Safelists. All right, so once you're signed up for those Safelists, you can begin using the Fast Traffic bot to earn those credits.